Integrating Stripe with your WooCommerce store allows you to accept payments securely via credit and debit cards. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add Stripe to WooCommerce. Access WooCommerce settings. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to WooCommerce settings. Navigate to Payment Gateways. Click on the Payments tab to access the available payment options. Enable Stripe. Find Stripe among the list of payment methods and click on it to configure the settings. Configure Stripe settings. Check the box to enable Stripe as a payment method. Enter your Stripe API keys. You can find these keys in your Stripe account dashboard under the API section. Optionally, set a title for the payment method that customers will see during checkout. Choose whether to enable Stripe test mode for testing transactions. Configure additional settings such as payment capture method and statement descriptors. Save changes. Once you've configured the Stripe settings, click on the Save Changes button to apply the changes. Test payment. Before making the payment gateway live, it's advisable to conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly.